All right, guys, another one just for fun today. This is the final countdown. Who hasn't heard this? Let's see if I can make it sound all right on this keyboard. Here's our drum beat. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, that's pretty fun. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're going to learn by ear using the chord approach how to play this song. And we're going to do the part 1 in just a minute. All the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I've been teaching for 30 years, the last 12 years exclusively online, and all my lessons are on webpianoteacher.com. Thousands of lessons on there. For everyone, a lifetime of music really for you to learn. Email me at easypianolessons@yahoo.com if you want to get on the request list or have any questions. And the website works on your phones, your tablets, whatever you want to view it on. I have, just a cheap Casio keyboard here that I love, that I've played on for years. Casio Privia. Bought it like 15 years ago or something like that at Best Buy, and there are many newer models, but I still love this old one. It works well for me. I just have a basic drum beat, and I'm layering a harpsichord and string sound. That's the best I can do to get kind of a keyboard sound. The harpsichord is good if you ever need kind of a crunch guitar sound, a distortion guitar. For some reason the harpsichord sounds great with it. I have the string in the background to kind of emulate the string sound. So, this isn't a piano song, but it is a keyboard song. I'm going to switch to just piano now, though, so that we can hear things well. And those of you who just have a piano, let's learn it kind of just a simple way. Just kind of look at the chords here. We start with an F minor chord, F, A flat, C. The left hand. We're just going to do it simply to start with. Then I'll show you how to embellish it and make it a little bigger. 1, 2. So we have F minor, C, B flat, C, F. And I recommend learning the left hand. Don't just learn that right hand, because then you'll always be left hand deficient. Learn the left hand too at the beginning. Give it as much chance. Then we go to E flat, D flat, F, A flat there. So it's left, da 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 da. We hit D flat, F, A flat. That's a D flat chord. We went from F minor to D flat. And then da 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 da. D flat, C, D flat, C, B flat. Okay, 1, 2. Put it together. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2. Now we're going to go to B flat minor. B flat, D flat, F. Okay? Count to 2, 1, 2. Da 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 da. So D flat, C, D flat, F. If you'll notice, real hooky melodies have kind of a similar rhythmic structure to them. Da 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 da. Da da da. We seem to have that each time. So notice that as you're playing. And then we go to E flat chord, E flat, G, B flat, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. Then it's going to repeat, but let's try what we know so far. 1, 2. And so that will continue there. Now, if you want to make it more, crunch guitar. So this is more advanced here now. So instead of doing just a simple F minor, we're going to do F, C, F for the F. So bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum, like that. And then we may not play that E. Da, 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 da. We can. Then we're going to go to D flat, A flat, D flat. So for that, we're going to go da, da, da. You don't have to do this again. Just leave it out if it's too hard. Or maybe it can be something you work for later on. B flat, we're going to do B flat, F, B flat, da, da, da. And then for the E flat, we'll do E flat, B flat, E flat. Da. So that would sound like this. the strings and the crunch guitar strings and the harpsichord sound layered. All right, so there's the part one. In the part two on the website, we'll learn the rest of this, not only the keyboard catchy riff, but also the verse. There's more to the song than that. Did you know that? There's actually a verse and a chorus and a guitar solo, and we're going to learn all the chords for that and how to play it and sound like the original as much as possible in the following lessons on webpianoteacher.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Talk to you later.